is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm excited to bring you guys a tribal feed and braid box braid combination video. And it's been a while since I posted a braiding video on my channel, so I'm super excited to just kind of show you guys where I'm at, how much I've grown with my feed and braids, and yeah. This video is pretty self-explanatory. It's not really a tutorial. I'm kind of just going to be running through everything really quickly. I'm doing box braids in the back of her hair, and then I'm going to be doing a cute feed-in style in the front. I've actually done something similar to this on my channel before, so that's why I'm not really explaining what I'm doing step by step. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this. To complete this look, I used 3 packs of Expressions braiding hair that I cut in half. If you don't use Expressions hair, 3 packs of Expressions is typically like 6 packs of your regular hair, because 1 pack of Expressions is very similar to like 2 packs of regular braiding hair. So a lot of people are always like, how do you do it with just 3 packs? And that's why. The hair comes, it's like 84 inches, and I cut it in half. So for the design at the top, I'm actually going to be doing like a really cute crisscross in the center of the client's head, and then all of the braids are going to kind of fan away from that design. And I've done this design on my channel before, and I didn't really like show you a close-up or explain how it was done, so I wanted to do that in this video. So basically you're going to start by braiding a braid down the center, and there's going to be 2 braids that overlap that center braid. So as you guys can see, I parted a half circle on the top and a half circle on the bottom off of that center braid. And basically I'm going to start by braiding the first half circle, which starts at the top. When I get to the spot where it's going to cross over the braids in the middle, you want to just continue braiding like as if you were doing an individual braid, and then reconnect it to that back section. So I tried to make sure I got a better angle for you guys, because I know last time I did this design in my video, you guys were like, we couldn't really see. It's really hard for me to like record the top of my client's head. Like they either have to bend over hecka far, or I have to lift my camera up super high. So I was actually like kind of juiced that I got this angle. So here I'm going to be connecting this to the back section. So there you guys can see I kind of just keep braiding, and it makes that really cute crisscross design. So if you guys can peep in the background, you guys will actually see my cousin, and she helps to assist me sometimes in braiding the hair down when I need to move quicker, or if I have like another head. I know someone had asked me before, how come braiders like only braid the braid halfway? And typically when I do it, this is why, because I'll have my cousin come and finish them for me, and she literally braids it all the way down to the tip. So it definitely speeds my service up. When she helps me, we usually can do like a full head of box braids in like an hour and a half to 2 hours. Like we're both super quick with it. So yeah, that's who you guys see in the background if you guys were wondering. So basically for this, I'm just kind of like doing these feed and braids diagonally off of that design. And whenever I do like small feed and braids, I do like to kind of start in the middle and then work my way up and out. And it just helps my parting be a little bit better. It's kind of like making a guide braid. Usually when I start, you know, from the side above the ear, the design just like doesn't fit or turn out the way that I want it to turn out. So yeah. So here I am going to be applying mousse, and I use the Vigorous styling mousse, and I will make sure I link it in the description section. A lot of people ask me what mousse I use. I really don't think it matters what brand you use. I just try to get something that's like moisturizing as well and not curl defining, because I don't like to use the curl defining because I always get nervous that it'll make the hair revert back. Here I'm just dipping those ends in the hot water, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this same towel on the top of my client's head. I like to put it on there while it's still hot because the heat kind of helps to just like relieve some of the tension and just loosen it up. And then I'm going in with a spray. This is like a coconut oil mist spray just to give the braid some added shine. And this is my finished look here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I hadn't posted a braiding video in a while, so I wanted to kind of show you guys where my progress has been. I was actually really happy with the way that these turned out. I've been trying to work on my consistency and just getting my braids to be a lot neater. So yeah, if you guys are braiders out there, make sure you guys keep practicing, because the more you do it, the better you will get, and I hope that I'm proof of that for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video.